Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Today's the second video, guys. Let's take a look in the gold market. So yesterday I talked about the Great British Pound instead of the gold, because there we also have interesting setup and market is gradually coming to our entry point. While we're waiting what will happen on the cable, we could take a look at the gold market. So in the gold market, as you can see, our medium-term suggestion was mostly correct because it was really a lot of signs, especially on intraday charts, that point on some real pressure on the gold market. So market was showing some action that's not really typical for the normal bullish market, and we have discussed all details in the weekend in our weekly research, where we're really in detail have talked about these nuances, why we think that the gold market will show the downward breakout of the triangle. Right now this has happened, so you can see market is coming to the next destination point that we think should be around 1245, because this will be first 127 extension of our butterfly. Currently, as you can see, market has done two major achievements. So first is the taking out of these lows finally. Market is dropped below it. Second, market actually has broken the major 618 support. It's 1263, and in fact, in this area we do not have any other major fib levels, because the last one has been broken here. All that we have some extensions, they'll oversold maybe, pivots, but not the fib levels, and that makes downward action easier. That's why here we will be watching for 1245 as the next destination. Maybe not 1245, maybe slightly higher, 1248 probably. Anyway, you understand that this is 107 extension of this upward swing that we have here on the chart. Also here some kind of acceleration we see. It also gives more confidence the market should reach this area. So meantime, if you'll take a look at the 4-hour chart, you'll see that market right now stands at completion point of this wide A, B, C, D action down. Right? Also, this is monthly pivot support one. Action is rather gradual, so you can see the legs of the A, B, and C, D are the same. It's the same speed, the same slope, some kind of the shape even the same. So first drop, deep retracement, downward continuation, again drop, retracement, gap down, and continuation. That's why here market could get some support around this area, and to show some bounce up. Here we need to watch for bearish continuation patterns that could lead us to the 1248 target on the daily chart, and most probable bearish continuation pattern is the Gartner's triple to sell, of course, because we've got already two side by side on this slope, and in each of them we have talked about. So that was in our weekly research. Minor that we've got here, we have briefly discussed yesterday. Here they are on the hourly chart. This one, Gartner's triple to sell, was in the weekly research that we have talked about. That one was formed yesterday. So if you remember, in the end of the video on the cable, we have mentioned this opportunity to go short with this Gartner's triple to sell. So indeed that has worked. Market has collapsed, and now it has formed also the butterfly buy that stands right at the around completion of the completion of the ABCD target, and that's why some retracement here is possible. Maybe another Gartner's triple to sell will be formed. Taking into consideration the harmonic swing that has been formed here, we could suggest that retracement could reach somewhere to 1264 area. This will be also confidence support, because if you will plot the fib levels from this reaction point to this focus point, you will get this 618 also in this area. So 1264 will be first confidence resistance. Next will be at 1269. So two levels. As market hasn't quite reached the major target, hardly retracement will be more significant. Probably should be a stop either here or here, probably. But in the current situation, well, maybe you will find some reasons to go long. If you trade on the 15-minute chart, on the 5-minute chart, maybe something will form here. Maybe, I don't know, maybe double ripple buy or something with this minor target. But for other traders who trade on the daily, here we mostly need to keep an eye on possible bearish continuation patterns, something on that sort. So we have drop, some ABCD retracement could be used for attempt to go short with the target, this butterfly on the daily chart, 1248 approximately.